Okay, more bad news, this time from the financial world. The RBI has announced its credit policy today at a time when deep-seated worries continue to hang over the economy. Cash reserve ratio, or the CRR, has been increased by 25 basis points and the repo rate by 50 basis points. Inflation is already at a 13-year high. It does not appear to be in a mood to get back into single digits. On the other hand, industrial production is starting to look rather shaky, raising fears about sustainability of growth. The RBI's latest measure is aimed at controlling monetary supply into the economy in a bid to rein in the galloping inflation. But the side effects of strong medicine is what the bankers are worried about.
I think very clearly the Reserve Bank has indicated that inflation control is its primary aim. I think rightly so. And what they've clearly indicated is that we see tough times ahead, and I think the signal to consumers is that you should prepare for these tough times ahead.
Impact is obviously somewhat negative, but something we have to live through, because we are in the regime of, say, high crude prices and high manufactured goods and commodity prices, something we are living through.
Definitely, it's a right step in tackling inflation, because inflation is a bigger evil and it affects the common man much more higher than anybody else, because inflation is a tax on the common man. And I think the central bank has done the right step in hiking the interest rates by 50 basis points in the repo rate.